Hello, my name is Sandeep and my registration number is UR15CS300. Today we are going to see 10th experiment in data structures lab, that is implementation of selection and insertion sort. Now I'll show you the insertion sort. In this picture you can see how the insertion sort algorithm works. First we should take. Here we can see 12 is in the first position and 3 is in the second position. Now these two elements are compared and sorted out which is the smallest element, and then the smallest element is sent to the first position. And here in the step 2 you can see that 3 came in the first position and 12 went back. Now the first element is compared with the all these three elements, first, second and third elements are compared and then sorted out in the increasing order. Now the fourth element comes, so on. In this insertion sort, this is the algorithm which we should follow. Now we will check the code for this insertion sort. This is the code. Now hash include IO stream and con IO stream are the headers that header files that I have used. And now standard namespace is used throughout the program. Now we have got here main program into main. In this I have given a, I, j, k and temp as integer variables, and now the user should enter the elements. So I have given the user output function cout as enter the elements. Now uh, the user is restricted to give only five inputs, so that the program works on it and then gives this sorted array. That is for I equal to 0, that is starting from 0, I less than 5, the I will be incremented, and C, all these elements given by the user are stored in a of I. Now for I equal to 1 to I less than 5, I plus plus, that is I will be incremented from 1, and less than I less than 5, then it will be incremented. Now I will come to the case of j equal to I, j is equated to I, and j greater than or equal to 1, and j is decremented. Now if a of j is less than a of j minus 1, then this code will be followed, that is temp equal to a of j, a of j equal to a of j minus 1, a of j equal to temp. So that now by this you can understand that temp is equal to a of j and a of j minus 1. Else if not this condition, then the program will be break, and at last the sorted array should be printed out in the output. So for k equal to 0 to k is less than 5, the k is incremented, and now the cout will be shown as a of k. That is, all the sorted elements will be shown at the final line of the output and gets used for getting the characters. Now we'll check the output for this particular program. Yeah, now my program is asking to enter the elements. Let's enter 1, 0, 99, 7 and 55. Yeah, the sorted arrays 0, 1, 7, 55 and 99. I have given the normal random numbers, and my program has worked successfully on it, and it shows the sorted array. So my insertion program is working perfectly. Now I'll explain you the selection sort. By this diagram you can easily understand what is selection sort. That is, if an array of these many numbers are given, then the first element is taken and it is compared with the second element. Now in this example we have 20 and 12 in the first and second position. 20 and 12 are compared, and we can say that 12 is the smallest in this both, so 12 comes front and then 20 goes to the next position. After this is the second step. Here the same first element may be changing from the first step to second step, but the first element is compared with the third one. Now in these two, the sorting takes place, selection sorting. Then it will select the smallest integer, that is 10. Now 10 will be here, and this 12 goes to the third position. Now the same first element is sorted with the fourth element, and so on throughout the program. And after all these sortings, the final output will be in a sorted array, that is increasing order. And this is the work of the selection sort. Now let's check the program of the selection sort. Hash include IO stream is the header file that I have used, and standard namespace is used throughout the program. Now this is the main function of the program. I have given int main, and I have also taken I, J, N, loc, temp, minimum, and for 5 integers. All these I have taken in integers. Now the user should enter the number of elements. So I have given a user friendly code like cout enter the number of elements, and it will be stored in n. Now uh, the number of elements is given by the user, then the actual element should be given by the user. So cout enter the elements. Now we now for I equal to 0, I less than n, I is incremented. So starting from 0 and less than n, that is n is here the number of elements given by the user, the I will be incremented. Then the input given by the user is taken into a of I. Now for I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1, and I is incremented. For this particular condition, minimum equal to a of I. A of I is this one, the given input by the user. Then LOC is equal to I. And for j equal to I plus 1, and j should be less than n, then j will be incremented according to this for loop. Now in this for loop we have also given if, that is minimum greater than a of j and minimum equal to a of j, then LOC is equal to j. Now we'll take a temp value, and it is equal to a of I, and this a of I is equal to a of LOC, then that is equated to temp. Now at last, after performing all these conditions, now the sorted array will be formed, and this will be shown in the output. And at last, for I equal to 0, I less than n, I will be incremented, and the sorted array should be printed. So I have used here a of I equal to this one, empty space, so that the sorted array will be printed, and return 0. I have used return 0 because I have given main in the integer format. Now let's check the output for selection sort. Yeah, my output is asking to enter the number of elements. Let's enter 5. Now the elements 0, 9, and 88, 1, 99. Yeah, the sorted list is as follows: 0, 1, 9, 88, and 99. Here I have given some random numbers, and my program sorted it out very well, and hence I can say that selection sort, this program is working perfectly. Thank you.